Just think of our future generations. If we are in this situation, how will our next generations be? What are we handing them over? A sick planet with limited resources. What will they eat? What will they breathe? What will they drink? So, how will they survive with such resources available? So, we are literally borrowing their resources and enjoying them without being aware of the consequences. Our daily actions matter a lot. So, the climate change that we are experiencing is not coming just from one big source. It is coming from all of our daily actions multiplied by billions of people. Now we are more than 8.3 billion. And imagine the effect. So, in Uni5 pattern, I have segregated all the things that we can take, the simple steps to protect our Mother Earth.